Yogi! Welcome to another episode of Trippy Food, and we got the funk. So, if you remember back a couple of weeks ago, maybe a week ago or so, we did an episode on Limburger cheese, and we ate Limburger cheese in the traditional way of eating Limburger cheese, or the most popular way of eating Limburger cheese, which is on rye bread with a slice of onion, and we made a grilled cheese sandwich with it. And one of our subscribers / viewers / Trippy Food followers, Aaron Tucker, who also goes by Bacon420, said, "Oh, I thought you were going to do Limburger fries." And so I decided I had leftover Limburger. Why not do Limburger fries? So we decided to do exactly that. Now, I would love to tell you that I made my own French fries from scratch, but it's kind of a labor-intensive process if you're doing it yourself, because you have to blanch the potatoes, then you have to cut them, then you have to fry them, and the thing is, I just left it up to somebody who does fries well. So here in the Southern California, that would be the Habit Burger and Grill, and they do a good job on the fries, so I decided to use their fries. So I did use leftover Limburger. It melts down pretty well, but it also creates an environment, let's say an environment in the kitchen that makes Mrs. Trippy Food say, "I'm going to kill you." So here is the results of our testing, or our creation, and these are our Limburger fries. So you can see the Limburger melted on top of that. I also put some chopped onion on top of that, and because it was suggested by somebody that goes by Bacon420, we also put some bacon on top of that. So here it is, fries from the Habit with Limburger cheese, onion, and bacon. So here we go, let's give this a try. Kind of melted like raclette, so it didn't melt like American cheese melts. It kind of melts, but kind of stays together, not watery or anything. And it does smell funky. I think the heat brings that out. And you'll notice I did not call this Limburger poutine, because Limburger on fries and bacon and onion does not make poutine. Wow. Maybe it's the heating up of it. It also takes some of the flavor out of the cheese. I mean, it's still there. The fries I like the fries. I always like their fries anyways. Really nice. The bacon and the onion add some extra flavor to that. Let's get a piece with some more cheese on it. Big cheesy piece here. There we go. That is really good. I was surprised. I'm actually surprised. Well, no, I'm not surprised, because Limburger, like I said in the other episode, very delicious cheese. So, Limburger fries. And again, it does have, and maybe it's because of the bacteria that's made with it or something, but it does have this kind of aftertaste that kind of sits on your tongue and kind of goes up your nose and everything. And so you actually do get that kind of powerful funk from the Limburger. But these are really good. I don't know if Limburger fries are a thing, but they are now. And so if you see Limburger fries anywhere, remember, you saw it here first, unless you didn't see it here first. But thank you, Aaron, for the suggestion. Turned out really well. You decided to make that? Maybe you could do a variation of that or something? Let me know. But again, just kind of melt Limburger cheese, put it on top of that, some crumbled bacon, chopped up onion and everything. That's a really nice dish right there. So, give it a shot if you so desire. I'm going to go ahead and give this dish a big thumbs up, and I would definitely make this again. So, yeah, give it a try if you get a chance. Remember, it's crazy out there, so take care of yourself, take care of others, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for checking out Trippy Food. If you enjoyed watching that video half as much as I did making it, well then I enjoyed it twice as much as you did. And if that's the case, you'll probably like this video right here. And if not, check out this video right here. That one's a little bit different. Either way, leave a comment down below, and be sure to subscribe by clicking on the Trippy Food icon right here. Glad you could make it, and we hope to see you again soon.